y'all doing? So this is going to be Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Mercury, North Node for November 2021. There is music on in the background. I do not own the rights to the music. It is on Pandora on the Quiet Storm Radio. Chris Brown is on right now, Up to You. The lyrics I were hearing is, I don't want to mess this up. It's up to you. So Sagittarius, you could be leaving it up to your person. Your person could be leaving it up to you with this situation. Maybe where you guys want to go in your relationship, but they don't want to mess it up, and that's why they're leaving it up to you. Or you don't want to they don't want to mess it up, so they're leaving it up to you, Sag. Or Sag, you don't want to mess it up, so you're leaving it up to your person. So again, this is going to be Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Mercury, North Node for November 2021. The song that's on right now, Ask of You, by Raphael Sadiq. It looks like it's from the movie Higher Learning. You guys may need to watch that movie Higher Learning. That's an old movie. Alright, so let's see what the overall energy is. There is a stream of love supporting my dreams. But I gotta tell you what exactly on my mind. Alright, I feel like somebody's coming in, or you're heading to your person. Either way, somebody is going to tell someone else what exactly on their mind, because the other person is leaving it up to them, and they're going to tell you exactly what's on their mind, because they don't want to ruin this. They don't want to say the wrong thing, so that whoever don't want to say the wrong thing, and you're leaving it up to the other person, Sag, whether it's you or it's your person, I feel like, whatever they ask of you, you're probably going to say yes. Because I feel like there's absolute love between you. And they love you. Could be someone named Deja or Daisha. Yeah. There's love here, definitely. Alright, so Sagittarius, your card came out in the Capricorn reading that I just did. Let's see who else you're connected to and who's going to be the next zodiac. Who is the next zodiac for November? Maybe they'll give us one. Let's see. Who is connected to Sagittarius for the month of November? Please and thank you. Scorpio. So, Sagittarius, you could be connected to a Scorpio. Scorpio is the next. On the bottom, you have Libra. And I think Libra was on the bottom of Capricorn as well. Somebody's in love. That's what I'm getting here. Ooh, first card out. 9 of Pentacles. What else do we have? Oh, you got the Fool and the King of Wands. Okay. Let's get us one more card for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Mercury. North Node for November 2021. Two cards came out. You got the Eight of Cups and the Four of Swords. So let's take a look here. I think somebody was staying single. Sag, it could have been you or your person. I feel like somebody was in their single energy, you know, working on themselves, their finances. But then maybe they took a leap of faith with this King of Wands. Sag, this could be you. This could be your person that took a leap of faith with you. And possibly after walking away from a situation, after being in recuperating and competition, I don't know why I said competition. I meant recuperation and, you know, rejuvenating. Or your person or you said you feel like you were doing fine in your single state and you took a leap of faith with this person and maybe they walked away. And now you both or you're in rejuvenation, recuperating. Let's dig a little deeper. Let's see what's on the bottom. Oh, wow. The Wheel of Fortune is on the bottom. Yeah. This is destined. I feel like you guys have everything here. I'm not sure exactly what happened. Like I said, somebody could have walked away from someone else to take this leap of faith with you after thinking on it. Oh, I hear Johnny Gill. Can you stand the rain? New edition. Okay. Yeah. I feel like something happened and maybe y'all separated. And now you're both wanting to come back together, but can y'all stand the rain? Because there's always be good times, bad times, as the song is going to say. I know that I can count on you. Wow. Let's dig a little deeper, guys. Let's see. Maybe we can find out what happened here. Maybe one of you or both of you felt like the other one couldn't stand by you. I feel like somebody left. And I feel like the reason somebody left was over something maybe small. You stand the rain. Now y'all want to know, can you stand the rain? Yeah, Three of Pentacles, Collaboration Avenue. I feel like, you know, if we get back together, can you stand the rain? Like, can you take the heat? If you can't take the heat, get out the kitchen type energy. Like, if we do this again, you're going to have to stand the rain, even when stuff gets happen. Yeah, there's Ace of Wands, Passion and Desire. So there's definitely fire signs here, which is Sagittarius, Leo, and Aries. You have Pentacles here. Actually, you have all signs here. You got Pentacles, you got Cups, you got Swords. Am I there? What else for my Sagittarius? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Mercury, North Node for November 2021 in this situation. What is going on with this Eight of Cups here? There's a lot of fire. Page of Wands is development of news and enthusiasm. Yeah, somebody's coming in with a message, most definitely. Oh. I'm going to take this because it flipped up. These all fell out together. Not interested with the Four of Cups. Supporter of truth and protection with the Queen of Swords. And wearily defense gardens with the Nine of Wands. But in the end, I feel like wishes are coming true here. I'm going to leave it like that. I said I wasn't going to take them alive. But, okay. I feel like you both feel like this relationship is a dream come true, like it's wishes come true. You got 3 9s here. 999. But something, I feel like something went down to maybe feel like there's some distrust here. And I feel like somebody is keeping their guard up. Like they're keeping their defense up. And it could be this Queen of Swords to this King of Wands here. You got the Chariot on the bottom. So somebody, this Cancer energy. Somebody is definitely being defensive about getting back together. There's some trust issues here. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know how I'm doing. What else? You got the bad health card that come out. I'm so tired of seeing this card. It comes out in just about every reading. I feel the reasoning it's coming out behind it is it's not necessarily bad health. I mean, because this card could mean anything from a common cold, like the flu that keeps you in the bed for a week or so, to, you know, on your deathbed type situation. It could also, sometimes I feel like this situation just left like a bad taste in your mouth. I feel like the reasoning y'all split up was over something that you guys could have gotten over, but somebody just stubbornly was like, no. Could be a job or financial situation. I Belong to You by Rome. Yeah, y'all feel definitely like y'all belong together. But there is definitely concern. It could also be, if this is a job situation, tell me what's wrong. Yeah, I feel like maybe somebody may have gone through something. Oh, sorry. Y'all, I'm sorry. I dropped the remote. hit the pause button and everything. Anyways, I feel like if it's a job situation, maybe you got sick and had to take some time off from work. Girl, you are the love of my life. I feel like this is a love situation. But if it is a job, I feel like maybe you got sick and had to take some time off of work. But you're now back at work, and I feel like maybe something has come up promotion-wise, and you got a sudden wealth. But as for the love situation, maybe work got in the way. Maybe finances were the issue. I'm also feeling like maybe somebody came into some money and maybe they got into their ego. You know how some people get money and they change. And it was concern, and maybe that's what. Yeah, you got message of concern on the bottom as well. Ding. Look. And message. And then in despair over this courtship. I belong to you and you belong to me. Binky, no. I'm sorry, my cat is hollering at the door. I feel like somebody may have got some type of promotion and had to leave, or came into some type of money. Like, and I'm not talking about little money, I'm talking about big money that changes the whole thing and maybe just left you. And of course, that's going to hurt somebody. They got, like, okay, my phone keeps beeping. They left. Somebody left, definitely. And I feel like it had to do with money. They got into their ego and was like, you know what? I got all this money. I don't know why I keep getting, like, say somebody's a musician and they put out a song and that song just skyrocketed. Now they got to go on tour and they got to get back into the recording studio and they're doing all this, and it's not that they didn't want to be with you. Their job, they just like, boom, sudden fame, and boom, they're off. And, you know, that messed up your relationship. I feel like you don't want to, not interested. That's not what you want to do. That's something they want to do, and so you guys broke it off. Look, bare naked man. I feel like someone left because they came into a lot of money, possibly fame. Look, I give all my love to you. Somebody feels like they give all their love in this situation and wasn't getting it back. There could be children involved. Somebody could have been acting immaturely. DJ Khaled is coming on with You Say, featuring Meek Mill, Jay Bevelin, Little Baby, and Jeremiah. Somebody could have had a child outside the relationship. Somebody could have came into some money, started acting a fool in their ego. I feel like some paperwork came in about a child. On the bottom is the, look. Wow. Look. This person that left, that may had a child outside of this relationship, sees you as their wish, their son. You got wishes coming true with the Nine of Cups over there. And who am I to tell you different? To be a critic. Wow. You ever cry again, it's going to be in a Rolls Royce. Yeah. For some of you, you could be in a relationship that wasn't too well and walk away, and there's maybe a wealthy person who sees you as your wish come true. Is wealthy. Wow. Wow. I don't know what to say. Look. I think you do too much for someone who don't do shit for you. Yeah. Some of you could have been, or still are, dealing with a Black Widow karmic lover. Black Widow is a karmic person from past life that is hidden by the veil. Family and karmic soulmate. Blood contracts. Hard to break the cord. Karmic lover. Lower negative energy. Mental, physical, verbal abuse. Toxic, unhealthy connection. Yeah. and you have somebody else you got the wishing well, and you got the 9 of Cups right here that says wishes come true. That sees you as their wish come true. You could have a family with this karmic lover, Black Widow, that just keeps you in tears. Don't know why you stay, you stay. Yeah. I feel like you definitely were in self-doubt. Came out sideways, almost reversed. Self-sabotage, denial, fear, I'm not good enough, or you're not good enough for me. I feel like whoever's in this karmic relationship is definitely no longer in self-doubt. Is starting to see their worth, if they haven't already, and coming out of that situation. Your ancestors could be telling you, could be guiding you. It says the dead, spiritual guidance, angels, universal protection. Yeah. I feel like after you come out this 4 of Swords energy, because somebody walked away here. Why do you stay? You could have stayed for kids. This could be the father of your children, the mother of your children, and that's why you stayed. But this person who wants you says you can have whatever you like. King and Queen of Pentacles, let me be your provider. You too loyal. Rage. I believe you left this person, and they have so much rage. No BS featuring Kevin McCall by Chris Brown. It says anger, temper, control, aggression. I'm about to fuck everything and everyone up. Somebody is really pissed off. I feel like it's the person you left, this Black Widow karmic lover. You're no longer in self-doubt. Wow. You got karmic family and friends on the bottom. Doesn't have good intentions, hidden by the veil of labels, trauma, pain, limited beliefs. Somebody could have been dealing with family that's karmics, lover, a Black Widow, Sagittarius. What you got going on? Alright, let's pull some of my cards I made. See what this is about. I do feel like somebody is coming in that's going to be your dream come true. Your wishes come true. And it's not all about the money. It just happens that they can spoil you because they have the money. Tacos. Y'all could like tacos. Y'all could have ate tacos. Tuesday's coming up. It's, what is today? Saturday. So you could have tacos Tuesday. The name Wheeling. Now names could be first, middle, last, nicknames, names of places you work, apps you use, name of your job, name of the street you live on. Pink. Pink could be your favorite color. Pink could be your person's favorite color. It could be a nickname. You guys take it how it resonates. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know how I'm doing. The name Effie. Effie came out in reverse on Karmic Lover. Some of you might have a Karmic lover named Effie. We could do it all night. So right. A Nissan Rogue type of car. Maybe one of you guys drive that. Anything else for my Sagittarius? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Mercury, North Node for November 2021. Alright. I don't want nobody else. I feel like this is the person coming in. They don't want no one else. They want you. Could be the name Quinn. You got a Cadillac CTS, another type of car. Cadillac could be pink. The Nissan Rogue could be pink. My friends don't think us being together is a good idea. And remember now, you got karmic family and friends on the bottom, and right underneath that is marry me. I feel like this person coming in, I feel like you're dealing with a karmic lover. There's a black widow. I don't know if it's a family, friend, or this karmic lover that has kept you in self-doubt. And I feel like your friends, that you got karmic friends that are trying to keep you with this karmic lover and telling you, trying to get you to go back. Because I feel like you have separated from this karmic lover. And somebody new is coming in. I feel like they wealthy. They want to spoil you. They want to love you and take care of you. But you got your karmic family and friends that think it's not a good idea. I also feel like they're trying to keep you in self-doubt, that you're intimidated by them. Planes by Jeremiah featuring J. Cole. Come on. Now be quiet. Sorry, I just let my cat in, y'all. That way she ain't hollering at the door the whole time. So on the bottom, yes. The universe is telling you yes. Don't be intimidated by this person. And I know, especially when someone's got money or more money than you may feel intimidated. Get high, baby, roll one. Hey, ding. Whoever's watching this right now, get high, roll one. You could have been dealing with this black widow, karmic lover, family, friends for 10 years. A Nissan Maxima. And if you've been dealing with them for 10 years, you guys could have had all three of these type of cars in the last 10 years. Nissan Maxima, you got a Nissan Rogue. Somebody likes Nissans. Cadillac CTS could be the new guy or the new girl. You got a Honda Odyssey. Who's Gonna? Nobody by Chris Brown. Have you ever read The World Is Yours on a blimp? That's the type of stuff this guy will do. He'll get a blimp just to send you a message. If he know you're going to be out with your friends, say y'all go to the park every once a month. Like you gather up your kids and you and your friends all go to the park. He'll send a blimp over the park with a message for you. Like he's extreme like this. This the type of person is. Red could be significant. Braylon. You need a nigga, excuse my mouth, you know that's not going to run his mouth. Color orange. There's a lot of colors here. Friday. I'm not going to take those. I'm going to take this one. Let's go away for a few days. Like this guy don't care. I keep saying a guy, but it could be a woman. Whoever this new person is that got the money, they don't care. They want to take you away for a few days. They'll even take all your kids. If you got a bunch of kids, you and all your kids, they gonna, like, I don't know, take you to Disney World for a few days. They just want to get you away from, I feel like, all the drama. Copycat. feel like somebody's copycatting you. Ring. Cardi B. You don't make it ring, ring, ring. They could maybe take you out dancing. Or you like dancing. Acting like you don't know what number to dial. I feel like this is the new person. I feel like maybe you could have separated from this karmic. I don't care if we get in an argument and I stall on your ass. I still wait for your call. I feel like you could have separated for this karmic at one time. And you could have started dating this new person. But because confirmation through my phone, my friends don't think we should be together. Now remind you that you got family and friends that are karmics as well. And they could have talked you going back to this Black Widow karmic lover. And so you left this new person out. But this new person is head over heels for you. They ain't giving up too easily. And I feel like this is either you, that this person don't hit up your line no more because you went back to your ex, or this is how they feel that you not hitting them up no more. You could have ghosted them. Alright guys, please like, share, subscribe, comment, let me know how I'm doing. So this is for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Mercury, North Node for November 2021. The name Diamond. This person could have gave you a diamond. Childhood wounds. I feel like you're also dealing with some childhood wounds. Maybe that's why the child card is out here. And I feel like you're angry. I feel like you're confused between this karmic and this new person. Name Owens. What else for my Sagittarius? Please and thank you. This card wanted to flip over. Money, money, money. I tell y'all, I don't care. If somebody's in this situation, you got a karmic lover. Okay? Could be a Black Widow. But I feel like this person's got money. But you may not be able to deal with this person till the next life. And that could be pissing you off. Buddha, LMA. Anything else for my... Oh, that's a lot. I'll never get over you till I find something new that get me high like you. For some of you could have been with this person and they chose a karmic lover over you. But definitely got some soul ties in here. Could be dealing with an air sign, which is Gemini, Aquarius, Libra. Could be dealing with a Taurus. Riley. Andrew. Somebody's learning their lessons. We'll get a couple more cards and then we'll get an overall advice for you and end this. Yeah, somebody has some healing to do, and I feel like whoever is with this karmic lover, who chose a karmic lover over somebody else, this person with the money, somebody got some money. So can you help me heal? And you know you need to heal. especially from some childhood wounds. This "can you help me heal" landed on childhood wounds. Somebody's asking for forgiveness. I feel like somebody was dealing with a Black Widow karmic, and they left that karmic. They separated, met somebody new, somebody who had money, and I don't know why, but money is important. I mean, yes, money is important, but that's not what it's all about. This person had money, but I think that's why you're intimidated by this person, because they have a lot. So, you know how, like, you could be somewhere and you see something in the window and you be like, oh my God, that's beautiful. Da 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 da. It's window shopping, right? This person don't window shop. This person sees something in the window, they like it, they buy it. You know, they don't look at price tags. They don't. And I think this intimidates you. So, yeah, look. Anxiety and stalemate. On the bottom of this deck is the name Michael. Yeah, I really feel like somebody is really intimidated. This person that has the money, you're giving your like the person that's with the karmic and not with the person with the money, who has a choice between the karmic and this wealthy man or wealthy woman, this privileged person. I feel like, your relationship's at a stalemate because your anxiety is up. You're intimidated by this person. You have child wounds that you need help healed. And I feel like you are learning the lessons and understanding the meaning of soul ties. I just feel like it scares you a lot. It intimidates you. So you're keeping it at a stalemate. And you may not get this person till your next life. There's also a copycat. I feel like maybe this person has left you for somebody that is a karmic lover, Black Widow, that is a copycat. And what I mean by copycat, like, they dress like you. They try to imitate you. They talk like you. They dress like you. If you dye your hair purple, they're going to dye their hair purple. You get your nails done every 2 weeks. And because like some people just go and get plain nails. Unlike me, I'm bougie. I like stuff on mine. Like, so they do the same thing. You drive a pink Nissan Rogue. Guess what? They going to drive a pink Nissan Maxima. You know what I mean? Like, they've watched you, I feel like, and they learned your every move. Like, they imitate you. They're a copycat. And this person, I feel like what happened is this: you was with this person. This is someone's situation. Someone was with a karmic, left the karmic, met this wealthy, privileged person, and went back to the karmic. And now they're realizing that who this person is. Their karmic family and friends, this Black Widow, this karmic lover, and now they're left it, and they're rejuvenating and they're healing from it. They're trying, and they know they're supposed to be with this privileged person. They're asking for forgiveness. They're asking this person, I'm learning my lessons. Can you help me heal, like, my childhood wounds? Okay. There's also another situation that I feel like you and your person were together. Your person is a privileged, wealthy type person. And here comes along this copycat. And your person chose this karmic, Black Widow, copycat person over you. And now they're starting to realize it. And they're asking for forgiveness. But I feel like both of you are really anxious about it. You're in a stalemate, not sure what's going on. So let me read these cards over real quick. Sorry about it being so long. So you have Tacos, Waylon, Pink, Effie, Nissan Rogue, I Don't Want Nobody Else. The song's on. Look, the song that's on is Chris Brown, Who's Gonna Nobody. Where's that card? Right here. Synchronicities, people. Hello. Okay, so Effie, Nissan Rogue, I don't want nobody else. The name Quinn, Cadillac CTS, my friends don't think us being together is a good idea. I'm intimidated by you. 10 years. Nissan Maxima, Honda Odyssey, Who's Gonna, Nobody by Chris Brown, and literally that's the song that's on right now. Who gonna love you like me? Nobody. The color red, the name Breland, orange, Friday. Something could have happened yesterday, something can happen next Friday, 3 months from now on a Friday. Let's go away for a few days. Copycat, diamond, childhood wounds, Owen, money, 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 next life, soul ties, air, which means either air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or maybe you just need to go outside and be out in the fresh air. Taurus, Riley, Andrew, lessons learned. Can you help me heal? Forgiveness, anxiety, stalemate. On the bottom of the deck, you got yes, dancing, and the name Michael. And I feel like whatever question you were answering, the universe is saying yes. Christopher Walking by Pop Smoke is on right now. Let's get you an overall advice card, affirmation from the Isis Oracle deck. What does Sagittarius need to know in this situation? Please and thank you. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I still have a lot of options. Serpent of Fire. Do not assess your current ability based on past standards, as they no longer apply to you. You are stronger and more powerful now than you have been before. You need to learn afresh what you are capable of, and Isis helps you now. I feel like this is trying to tell you you're not the same person you were 10 years ago. You are not the same person you were a year ago. You are not the same person you were 6 months ago, because you're learning lessons. Lessons are learned. And it may have been hard because you were dealing with a black widow, karmic lover, karmic family and friends. You got a copycat that's copying you. You got somebody you feel like you're intimidated by. So I feel like this is telling you you need to come out of that self-doubt and stop being intimidated by this. Learn to deal with your anxiety. Come out of this stalemate. Alright, Sagittarius, I hope this helps somebody. You guys, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know how I'm doing. You guys, have a great day. Stay positive. Peace. Good luck.